Where you going? It's cold. Oh my goodness, Stella. Uh-oh, they're coming. There is some big waves out here today. They don't look that big on camera, but in the back, look at that. I wouldn't want to get caught under that. Sheesh. Stella got scared by that shell a minute ago, didn't you? Just collecting things now. We have the shell, which is beautiful, like pearl. And then I'm also holding the what do you call them? From the, like a 6-pack, because some of the holes are still together and we don't need any wildlife or sea life or birds getting caught in that, so we're gonna take it home and throw it away. Right, Stella? Come on, let's keep going. Some sand art that Stella just tried to walk through. Did you have fun? Yeah.